In the world of metals, some materials quietly power our lives. One such unsung hero is zinc dust. This fine grey powder is more than it appears. Its high reactivity and anti-corrosion properties make it essential in industry. Zinc dust acts as a sacrificial shield, protecting steel and iron from rust, especially in construction and manufacturing. Its purity ensures efficiency and quality in every application, from bridges to batteries. Galvanization using zinc dust extends the lifespan of steel structures by decades, saving billions in maintenance. Without it, our infrastructure would quickly deteriorate. Zinc dust's influence stretches from skyscrapers to the smallest battery components. As we explore its journey, we'll see how this modest powder is a cornerstone of modern industry. Sometimes the most vital contributions come from the least celebrated sources. Zinc dust is a true industrial hero, quiet, reliable, and indispensable. Let's uncover why this powder is at the heart of global trade and technology. The story of zinc dust is one of hidden strength and lasting impact. Producing zinc dust is a precise process. Not just grinding up metal, high-purity zinc is melted and vaporized, then rapidly cooled to form fine reactive particles. This method ensures the dust's small, spherical shape and high surface area. Only special high-grade zinc, over 99.995% pure, is used, guaranteeing quality and performance. Gas atomization is another technique, blasting molten zinc with inert gas to create tiny droplets that solidify instantly. Both methods allow tight control over particle size and purity, tailored for different industries. Safety is paramount. Zinc dust is flammable, so production facilities use advanced safeguards. Rigorous quality checks ensure every batch meets strict standards for purity and reactivity. The result, a high-performance powder carefully packaged to prevent moisture and oxidation. This meticulous process transforms simple zinc into a global industrial powerhouse. This session is brought to you by Navaties, your ultimate destination for all things about international trade. Whether you're looking to learn about global trade or need assistance with imports and exports, Navaties has got you covered. Visit navaties.com to register for free today and unlock a world of opportunities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Zinc dust uses span construction, chemicals, automotive, and electronics. In coatings, it forms a sacrificial barrier protecting steel in bridges, ships, and buildings from corrosion. As a reducing agent, it's vital in chemical manufacturing, textile bleaching, and pharmaceutical synthesis. In mining, zinc dust helps recover gold and silver, making it crucial to the metal supply chain. The automotive industry uses it in anti-corrosion primers and brake linings. In batteries, zinc dust powers everyday devices by providing stable electrical current. It even appears in pyrotechnics, lubricants, and as a catalyst in specialized applications. Its unique properties, reactivity, protection, and adaptability make it indispensable across industries. From massive infrastructure to tiny gadgets, zinc dust is everywhere. The global trade for zinc dust is currently valued at USD 311 million, fluctuating between USD 234 million and USD 348 million over the past 5 years. In terms of quantity, the global trade volume is 0.2 million tons, with a historical range between 91,000 tons and 0.2 million tons. The average global price for zinc dust is $1.53 per kilo. The top importers of zinc dust are USA, Poland, Thailand, Canada, Sweden, Japan, Germany, UAE, Vietnam, and France. While the top exporters are Belgium, Sweden, South Korea, India, Norway, Malaysia, Thailand, USA, Germany, and Saudi Arabia. India currently exports USD 34 million worth of zinc dust, supplying 16,500 tons to the global market at an average price of $2.06 per kilo. India holds a 10.93% market share in value and 8.11% in quantity. Over the last 5 years, India's market share has ranged from 3.67% to 11.65%, with revenues between USD 8.6 million and USD 37.3 million. So if you're looking to import zinc dust at better rates and better quality, India should be your destination for procurement. While this is about India's trade, you can generate more reports for zinc dust trade about any country directly on the Navaties platform. As industries push for sustainability, zinc dust's role grows. Its anti-corrosion power extends the life of steel, conserving resources and reducing waste. Demand is rising with urbanization, infrastructure, and renewable energy projects needing durable protection. In automotive and energy, zinc dust supports lighter, longer-lasting, and greener solutions. Innovation is opening new uses from next-gen batteries to eco-friendly catalysts. Zinc dust is poised to help solve 21st century challenges, clean energy, sustainable manufacturing, and more. This humble powder is a key enabler of durability, efficiency, and progress. Sometimes the smallest particles make the biggest impact. How can Navaties help you explore the global trade of zinc dust? Navaties provides comprehensive country facts and in-depth market research on global zinc dust. It offers you detailed insights into top countries that import zinc dust based on various parameters. Further, you can use our business ecosystems to meet business owners who belong to the mining, metals, and minerals, or access our world directory of companies, trade, and government bodies, which you can use to improve your export or import business. Click the link in the description and download the detailed report on global zinc dust, or visit navaties.com. In summary, the international trade of zinc dust in the mining, metals, and minerals industry is characterized by its diverse applications, global market presence, and evolving trends that are shaping the future of the sector. As industries continue to prioritize efficiency, durability, and sustainability in their operations, zinc dust emerges as a fundamental ingredient in meeting these requirements, fostering growth and innovation in a competitive marketplace. By capitalizing on market trends and exploring emerging opportunities, stakeholders in the zinc dust trade can navigate the evolving landscape and attain sustainable growth in the years to come. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.